Dear all, welcome to the channel Hirak Vlogs. Today I'll be talking about why should we at least explore once in our life in the stock market. It improves our patience level to become a worry-free lifestyle. It improves our willpower whenever we are in trouble. Also remind us to keep always hope for the best. It improves our reading and watching habits on at least one worldwide news on a particular area. We could be financially independent by investing or trading in the stock market if we have capable enough to investigate the market. It improves our decision making and analyzing skills. We could become more knowledgeable on financial sector. Also, it helps us to strong mindset in financial management. It helps us to earn additional side income for those who are working professional, student, or self-employed. It guides us to save at least 20% of the capital from our primary source of income to invest or utilize in the stock market or any other platforms which return expectable profits from the investment. The final most lesson we could learn is to become a risk taker in any situation to make the impossible possible. Last but not the least, it highly increases the power of probability skills. This is all about the importance of the stock market. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Hirak Vlogs. Also do not forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming notifications.